The DeWalt FlexVolt 60V Max chainsaw has a powerful and efficient brushless motor delivering gas performance with runtime of up to 70 cuts per charge on a 6x6. The low kickback 16-inch Oregon bar and chain has auto oiling for continuous lubrication and a tool-free tensioning system for quick bar and chain adjustments. DeWalt FlexVolt batteries automatically change voltage when you change tools, working with 20V Max tools and chargers, and providing longer runtime when used with 20V Max tools. It starts with the pull of the trigger, eliminating the cold starts and carburetor issues that can come with gas-powered chainsaws. DeWalt FlexVolt, power without gas.
Every so often, a product comes along that makes you wonder how in earth you were doing things before. For landscapers, electricians, general contractors, or anyone who needs to dig, that product is here now. It's called the TerraTrencher, the world's first portable mini power trencher of its kind. No more using oversized, expensive, cumbersome digging machines to do all of your trenching work. In the time it takes to transport tractor-mounted or self-driven chain digging machines to a site, you can take a TerraTrencher out of your car, do the job, and go home. TerraTrencher digging speed and unprecedented convenience saves time and cost. Its patented technology can cut neat, smooth-sided trenches 40mm wide and up to 700mm deep. Its performance is exceptional across a wide range of soil types, thanks to its toughened steel and self-sharpening teeth. TerraTrencher digs rapidly and accurately, providing little ground disturbance and allowing for quick backfill and site cleanup. All this while weighing as little as 13 kilograms or 30 pounds. Whether you're a utility contractor, irrigation installer, gardener, farmer, plumber, or builder, TerraTrencher gives you a quick, easy, and versatile trenching solution, whenever and wherever you need it. Even the smallest, most difficult jobs become a breeze with TerraTrencher. The TerraTrencher comes in 3 models: the TT400 Mini Trencher, the TT500 and the TT800. Each size up has a larger bar and deeper reach. Find out which model suits your work needs. Visit us at terratrencher.com and prepare to revolutionize your productivity and profitability. TerraTrencher. You dig it.
Introducing the new 40V Max lithium-ion cordless chainsaw, part of the 40V Max cordless family of lithium-ion battery-powered products from Black & Decker. These products kick gas. You'll appreciate the convenience of the tool-free chain tension feature for quick and easy chain adjustments during the job. Simply rotate the inner dial to unlock the bar, and turn the outer dial to adjust the chain's tension for optimal cutting efficiency. This chainsaw is equipped with a premium 12-inch Oregon low kickback bar and chain running at 5 meters per second for a fast cut speed, cutting through 4x4 pine lumber on average 13% faster than Ryobi's RY 4500. The automatic oiling system eliminates priming and assures your bar and chain receive the proper lubrication. The clear window allows you to gauge the oil level. This 40V Max chainsaw offers power, runtime, and versatility, all without the weight, noise, and hassle of gas-powered equipment. At 8.3 pounds, the chainsaw is lightweight and its full wraparound handle provides a comfortable grip in cutting applications. We've put high power in a small, compact lithium-ion battery with long life. The 40V Max 2.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery included with this chainsaw makes over 60 cuts in 4x4 pine lumber on average per single charge, resulting in 58% more cuts than the Ryobi RY 4500. The 40V Max lithium-ion cordless chainsaw from Black & Decker.
The Logosol F2 is an ultra-portable chain sawmill, which easily cuts up large logs. The frame is built of 1-meter sections that fit in the boot of a standard car. In a couple of minutes, you've assembled and set up the sawmill at home in your backyard or out in the woods. The Logosol F2 is the ideal sawmill if you want to cut your own timber. This sawmill is just as easy to set up as it is to dismantle for storage. You get a flexible tool with all the functions needed to do a great job. This sawmill is affordable and incredibly easy to use. Even if you have never sawn timber before, you will quickly get started with your production of planks and boards for your building projects. You take every cut with impressive precision. An auto-locking system with clear scales and fixed sawing measurements gives the timber accurate dimensions. The Logosol F2 is made of strong anodized aluminum, a material with amazing properties. You can get a maintenance-free, lightweight sawmill that will never rust and that without problem can stand up to really heavy logs. The design with a lightweight saw carriage and a 4-meter guide rail makes the sawmill extremely flexible and easy to use. The carriage slides smoothly on the guide rail during operation and can be easily lifted on and off. The Logosol F2 can be operated with most standard chainsaws. The Stihl MS391 has a 3.3 kilowatt engine and weighs 6.4 kilograms. With the powerful Stihl MS661, sawing goes even faster. You can cut all sorts of wood, from hard oak to knotty pine. The measurement precision is impressive. The chain removes the sawdust while the timber is being sawn, and the chain sawing gives a smooth sawn surface that is easy to after-treat. The boards are clean from sawdust after you have finished sawing. The sawmill can be configured with 2 meters between the log lifters for longer logs, or 1 meter for shorter pieces, such as fruit tree, for instance. If you cut diagonally through the log, you can make material for beautiful signs or chopping boards, for example. In its standard design, you can cut 3.8 meter long logs. If you want to cut longer logs, the sawmill can be extended to any length. Extensions are available in sections of 0.5 meter or 1 meter, and several log lifters can be installed to make it possible to handle larger logs and longer logs with retained precision. If the sawmill is set up for stationary use, it can be equipped with the Logosol Speed Saw, with manual or automatic feed unit, which gives you extra capacity. The Logosol electric saws cut quietly, fast, and accurately. You can cut all sorts of wood, even oversized logs, into high-quality building material with a smooth sawn surface. Besides extensions, the sawmill can be upgraded with a variety of accessories. For example, a log molder for building log houses. The Logosaw log molder is available as both a chainsaw-driven and an electric model. With the Logosaw F2, it is easy to get a good result from the first cut. Naturally, it is an excellent tool for producing large quantities of timber of standard dimensions. But you can also produce timber of large or unusual dimensions made of the sorts of wood you choose. Logosaw has a unique competence when it comes to sawing and wood processing. Our portable sawmills are being used by satisfied customers in over 60 countries, where woods of all conceivable sorts are sawn. If you want, you can create unique wooden designs in a distinctive and beautiful style. Over the years, we have seen many examples of amazing houses, furniture,